So here we are doing plumbing. Shouldn't have to be doing plumbing. Everything was working fine. And then yesterday, the toilet on the main floor stopped working and it wasn't getting water. And we couldn't explain it. And I thought maybe the valve was stuck or plugged up or something like that. But it wasn't the valve. I replaced the valve and I shut the water off in the house and I tried to blow air back through the system with the faucets open downstairs. It should have blown right through. And I put 100 PSI into the line and it held 100 PSI. It didn't leak. It was a solid block. There was no leakage at all. So I came downstairs and here's where the line comes down from the toilet. And it came into, well, I've replaced all this now, but it came into these lines here. It was kind of like a main feed. The blue line here fed cold water to everything. And I cut the line and there was no blockage that way, but there was blockage this way because we could turn the water on and nothing came out. So I cut it back past the T and there was still blocked. And I cut it again back here. There was another T right here. And then we had water. So the blockage was right at the T. This T, in fact, and you can see right there, it's blocked. And look what it was. Inside the water line for 15, 16 years, whenever since this house was built, there was a Marrette connector. And that Marrette connector, for some reason, it was restricting flow. But we really didn't notice. Toilets just took longer to fill. Who cares? They filled. Everything was fine, right? Well, till it just stopped. It sealed tight. And when I put air to it, it made it even worse. So, yeah, I have never seen that. So never do electrical work when you're doing plumbing because foreign objects get in there and they wreak havoc. You know, it took me a while to figure out what was going on. The fix wasn't too bad. And I put in a new section pipe. I actually removed that T because it was running to a system that was removed when we did renovations. So basically cleaned it up a little bit. We ran all new PEX up to the toilet and the toilet, she works. So everybody's happy. Another bizarre day here on the farm. I must tell you, you just never know what's coming next. Hope your day's going better. And maybe, you know, I guess what is the lesson? Don't work with crap around that can get into your pipes. And don't make assumptions. I assumed the valve was plugged. Wasn't plugged. Process of elimination, right? Removed the valve, still didn't have flow. Worked my way back down, cutting the system open until I found where the blockage was. As unlikely as it seemed, there it was. I mean, what are the odds? What are the odds? Those electricians. Do you think somebody did that on purpose? Sabotage? Maybe they didn't get along? Who knows? Anyway, hope you're having a great day. Cheers.